Hello, I am Lady Ambassador Nwachukwu. I am a trained psychotherapist by profession, and also by the special grace of God, I am an apostle. Now, I am very excited and happy to be among wonderful people and great people. I am very excited to be on this platform. I decided to make this video just to appreciate and use this medium to pass one or two words to everybody, because I know that on this platform right now, there is a place of great thinkers, people who have the concept of what leadership is all about. People who understand that they are not just here for themselves, but they are also here for others. People who are ready and prepared to share their experiences with others. People who have gone through things. They've been through situations. They've been what some people call problems. People who have come to understand that it's not a problem, but a preparation. People who understand that whatever that they are going through has not come to destroy them, but it has come to even make them stronger. And this is why I like this wonderful group, and I appreciate everybody. Yes, somehow, I like to observe. I've been here for quite some time. A lot of times I see videos, posts, flying around, but I like to observe. And I've come to see that this platform is a platform that has great, wonderful, great thinkers, people who are out there for others. Yes, we are going through a situation, a pandemic, that we have questioned God. We have asked ourselves and try to understand, where is God in all this? Where is God in all the situation that we are encountering right now? A lot of informations are flying all over the place. Everybody sharing their own understanding, their own. Everybody, one of my child was saying, everybody has become scientists. Everybody has become doctors. Everybody has become pastors. Everybody has become everything. Yeah, but you see, this is the reason why, is because this has come to teach us a lot of things, and I want to encourage you with this. You see, no matter what we are going through right now, yes, the lockdown it feels like an isolation. We are isolated from our loved ones. We are isolated from those people or those things that we are very familiar with, or something that, or people that we love, things that we do. We have been forced to stay indoors. It's nothing short of the same thing that happened when people go into prison. You see, the benefit of this lockdown is this, because we've been told when to come out, when not to come out. We've been restricted to the point where we're only allowed to come out to buy essentials. But you see, some people are crying because they feel bored. They feel that, I've got nothing to do. I've got no work to do. But the truth is, there's a lot of work to do indoors. The benefit and the goodness of this lockdown, I'm going to tell the areas that I'm looking into. Maybe you might begin to ponder on that. You see, this lockdown period is actually when great thinkers think, when great leaders actually take the lead. You see, a great leader when even in time of storm, even in difficult situations, they are still able to function effectively. That is what leader is. That is who leader is. I want to encourage you that no matter the information that you are gathering at this time, you need to be mindful of where they are all being stored. They are stored in no place other than in our emotions. They will go at some point and sit and take grip and sit down in our subconscious mind. And then we know what happens when that happens. All the information we accumulate now, we assimilate now, when they go and sit on the subconscious mind, they start to play up periodically in our lives. And then we wonder where did all this stems from? This has stemmed from now. So be mindful of the information that you take inside of you, because that is what you're going to project out after we've all been let out. The lockdown period, this is when you start to take stock of the lives that you have lived before, because right now there's not much distraction. A lot of you have wanted to venture into areas that you don't even know how to. There's no holiday for you to even think about how to put those things into actions. Now, nature has created this opportunity. Yes, it might be very inconveniencing, very, very uncomfortable situation. Because in life, generally as human beings, we don't like to be in one place because we are created to make move. But you see, one of the problems that we have is that the life itself has become so fast that we don't take time to pause and wonder and to pause and think about, where is it that I'm actually rushing to? Where is it that I'm fast running to? What am I trying to achieve? And this is why I believe that nature itself has prepared this. I mean, it's not a country, it's not a continent, but the whole world itself. We have been running too fast. Take this as an opportunity to actually take stock of everything that concerns you so far and make a plan. Maybe something you need to, a resolution, a New Year resolution, something that you've been wanting to do. This is the time. There's no more distraction. A lot of people are gaining weight while some are losing weight. Some are getting poorer while some are getting successful. I tell you, I found out that I'm actually losing weight. You know why? Because I think a lot in this time. I lose sleep. You know why? Because I'm thinking, how can I be more productive when I'm finally let out? How can I be part of the solution? Because you see, the fact is, when we are all let out, our emotions are going to be all over the place. But not to worry, because I will be there to catch you when you fall. I am putting up tools to help us. A lot of you have been disappointed. A lot of you right now, you have, the places or persons that you put your trust in. Now you can see that human being cannot be trusted. And now you are left with, what should I do next? Some of you have even lost the track of how to approach God by yourself. You approach God through your pastor. Now your pastor is not there. You have learned to approach God by yourself directly. There's a lot of lesson to learn in this. When you understand the benefit of this lockdown, you will understand that God has kept you this way, indoors, because He wanted to start to think. He wants to visit Him. He wanted to appreciate the little things about life. In this situation, you can see that money meant nothing. Money means nothing. The fashion, the designer clothes you wear, it means nothing if nobody is going to be out there to look at you. The cars, the massive cars that you drive, now you can see that it meant nothing if you drive along the way and nobody admires it. It has made us all to see that all we need is one another. That all those me, myself, and I does not exist. It's a myth. That we all need one another. And this is why the isolation is affecting a lot of people. Because now they can see that they cannot function effectively without the other. So that is why I want to say to you, be mindful of the information that you take inside of you, because that is what you're going to project. If you take fear information, later on is going to affect you, because everything that you are taking in now, they are being hidden. They as it's coming in, is getting locked into the subconscious mind. You think it's not there. You think you're not worrying about it, but the truth is, it's going to come up to play later on. So I would encourage you, while you are there, remember there are other means of communication. Encourage one another. Call somebody up and check on them. text them, video call your family, do something, reach out, because now we can see that we cannot survive in isolation. We need one another. Like I mentioned before, you see, we need somebody. Somebody needs you as much as you need somebody else. I just decided to drop this for you guys, just to say, what, let's stay strong, and this is when great thinkers think. So don't let this time pass you by. This is an opportunity, but trust me, when we are out, we're going to be running so fast that if we don't plan it properly, we're going to hit the mountain. We're gonna hit the brick wall. Okay, so I'm actually in the process. I'm putting up some tools, so look out for me, because I will be putting up some tools to help us, hold our emotions together. When the time comes, I'll be there to catch you. Okay, so check me out on all my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, on my website, and all of that. And let us continue to empower each other. Leave your comment and share if you think that what I've said makes sense. Share it to somebody and let them also be uplifted and know that the information that they put inside of them, they need to pick and choose. And also, they need to call one another. Let us love one another this time, okay? And if somebody sneezes, please say, I bless you. Say, bless you. If somebody cough, say, oh, have you tried this remedy? Have you tried it? Instead of running away from them, let's, in the process of all this, show love and compassion. Thank you so much. It's me, your girl, Nwachukwu. Bye for now. Bye. Bye. And stay blessed.